Today I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted WooCommerce cart and checkout pages. If you've accidentally removed these essential pages or they've gone missing, this quick fix will get them back in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access the right dashboard and settings. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site, locate, and click on WooCommerce. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your online store settings. From those expanded options, click on Status. This section is incredibly useful as it provides an overview of your WooCommerce setup and gives you access to various diagnostic and repair tools. You're now on the WooCommerce status page, which displays important information about your store's configuration. At the top of this page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Tools. This is where WooCommerce keeps handy utilities for fixing common issues and managing store settings without needing to dive deep into code or complex configurations. Once you're in the Tools section, scroll down carefully until you find an option called Create Default WooCommerce Pages. You'll see a helpful note beneath it explaining that this tool installs any missing WooCommerce pages, which is exactly what we need right now. These default pages include cart, checkout, my account, and shop pages that are essential for your store to function properly. Simply click on Create Pages and WooCommerce will automatically restore any deleted cart and checkout pages along with any other missing default pages. And that's it. WooCommerce will regenerate those critical pages with all the necessary shortcodes and settings already in place so your customers can browse, add items to their cart, and complete their purchases without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.